Моя особиста мрія, щоб нарешті закінчилася.
My personal dream is for this war to finally end, and in the context for our work, for such guys to feel happy, needed, and not to feel any gap between people who are just regular athletes, for them to feel like real athletes.
Просто спортсмени, а також відчувалися справжніми спортсменами.